SAWIE Traceability. The textile sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy, with a $22 billion exports and employing 40% of the industrial jobs, mainly women. Cotton plays a vital role in supporting rural sector employment in Pakistan, but facing threat from climate change, causing heat, droughts, and increasing risk of pests and diseases. The textile sector in Pakistan grapples with numerous challenges to remain competitive and compliance with the international markets and its standards. This ranges from risky supply of Pakistani-grown cotton due to climate change, currency fluctuations, increased raw material prices, import duties, fiber quality issues, increasing demand from customers for reduction in carbon footprints, and lack of traceability. SAWIE is Pakistan's innovative digital platform that supports climate-smart and regenerative agriculture solutions. Its values are based on a holistic approach to address the textile industry's challenges with a sustainable farm-to-fashion ecosystem thinking. SAWIE offers a suite of solutions to the textile sector tailored to combat these issues. Number 1. Crop Scan. SAWIE employs cutting-edge satellite technology for accurate area estimation and crop identification, providing a real-time snapshot of the cotton crop. Number 2. Yield Forecasts. SAWIE has developed advanced algorithms enable precise yield forecasts, enabling the textile industry to plan ahead their buying decisions. The AI-enabled tools predict any losses due to natural calamities, including floods, hailstorms, droughts, etc. Number 3. Cotton Cluster with digital tools and agronomists on ground. SAWIE offers a unique blend of digital and cluster-based services to develop vertical linkages with cotton farmers to grow cotton up to 10,000 acres. These clusters are based in cotton-growing belts of Punjab, Sindh, and Baluchistan province. SAWIE supports farmers to make informed decisions about choosing right varieties, appropriate time of sowing, irrigation, picking, storage, and post-harvest activities. Number 4. Regenerative Agriculture Solutions. SAWIE promotes sustainable and regenerative agriculture in the cotton fields to improve soil health. SAWIE provides weather forecast, irrigation scheduling, early detection of pests and diseases through regular pest scouting using AI and machine learning. We promoted regenerative agriculture practices, environment-friendly pest control through integrated pest management, bringing leguminous crops, livestock agroforestry to improve soil health and soil carbon. Number 5. Traceability Solutions. With qrcode, SAWIE brings transparency to the supply chain with its traceability solutions, providing a chain of custody from farm to fashion. Our traceability system guarantees quality assurance, providing consumers and businesses with the confidence in the origin and quality of the cotton. SAWIE. Collect all data on farm level, including inputs used, amount of water used, the carbon emissions, amount of fertilizers and chemicals sprayed per keg of lint, counting down to a t-shirt. If you want to know about crops information, crop health through satellite and weekly weather updates, so please download SAWIE mobile application. Subscribe our YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn and Facebook to stay tuned.